Good morning from on board Norwegian Viva with Norwegian Cruise Lines. We are here in the Caribbean. Today we are ported in St. John's, Antigua, and we are actually going to grab breakfast this morning, and then we are headed on a catamaran excursion with our free at sea package from Norwegian. We're going to be visiting not one but two beaches. We're going to have a lobster lunch. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. From St. John's, Antigua, here on board Norwegian Viva with Norwegian Cruise Lines. Today we are here in St. John's, Antigua. We are ported. We have not tendered yet on this cruise, which is incredible, but we will link the previous port days videos down below, the playlist, so check that out. But today we are very excited to be here in Antigua. We are going on a catamaran sail for the day. It is a 6-hour excursion with our Norwegian free at sea package. And we are going to visit not one, but two beautiful beaches here in Antigua. And we're gonna have a lobster lunch. So it should be a beautiful day, and we can't wait to bring you along. Let's go have some fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. This is Majana, your cruise director, and welcome to St. John's.
So we grabbed our towel here at the hut when we got off the ship. They just asked for your room number and how many towels you're taking. And then our leader here has us in a line. Oh yeah, pageant wave, there you go. We boarded our luxurious catamaran at the pier in Antigua's capital city and set sail along the stunning coastline with our new friends at Mystic Catamarans, who made sure we always had sun, rum, and fun. We kid you not, our fabulous crew from Mystic Catamarans was fun and attentive, making the excursion one of the best days ever. As soon as we boarded, our guides shared that there are over 365 beaches in Antigua, one for every day of the year, so we knew it was going to be a great day.
I could live here. I could live here.
Yeah?
I could live here. Lots of mountains.
Yeah. We dropped anchor. There was champagne flowing, lobster grilling, and we visited two beautiful beaches and the spectacular Jolly Harbor Marina. So I have the chicken option. Jared has the lobster. Look at him double fisting.
Hey, watch this. Watch me.
Wow! A swimming waiter!
Look at that.
Yeah, yeah.
You got them more? Burn. Calories this way.
I thought he was going to do it.
Are you having a good time on your catamaran adventure? What has been the best part? The food, the beach, the beer, the service, everything.
Yeah, weather's been great.
The sparkling turquoise waters of Antigua were warm and inviting. The bar was open, and everywhere we dropped anchor along the coastline was more stunning than the last.
Let's see if I can flip. I'll put my hands all the way up. It's only 9 feet. You should be able to just barely see my fingers. Okay, everybody, all aboard! Yep, we gotta go.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, all aboard.
A bunch of houses up there.
Alright, my friends. See that house at the top with the blue chair and the green chair on the balcony? Right in front of that sailboat right here?
Oh, yeah.
That's me right there.
Oh
That's
my gosh.
240D, the one with the empty dock with no boat.
Okay.
With no boat.
No boat. You need a boat.
I'm the only one on this side without a yacht yet.
So do you automatically give a slip?
Yeah, it comes with the place, yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
That catamaran right there
That thing
is,
in the black one next to it.
yeah.
You know what they say, what a boat stands for? Bust out another 1,000.
With a place as beautiful as Antigua, it's easy to see why so many call this island home, and we wouldn't mind doing the same.
We're moving to Antigua. I'm down. Send the gooch.
Start assembling the paperwork.
So we have some bungalows here with infinity pools over the water. Thatched roof. Looks really nice. She's waving to us from her balcony. All right, beach number 2. Here we are. Deep Bay Beach. Let's do a spin here in Deep Bay Beach so you get to see the full perspective. Got some kayakers out there, tandem kayaking. Beautiful, beautiful St. John's, Antigua. So gorgeous. We are here at our second beach stop on our Mystic Cruises excursion with Norwegian Cruise Line. This is Deep Bay Beach. This is our last stop. Sadly, it's over in a little bit over an hour. We have to get back on the cruise ship. Never been more sad to get back on the cruise ship. Yeah, we've had a great time with our gang here with Mystic Cruises, particularly Miguel. We've had a great time, great day, beautiful weather, fantastic fun, excellent service.
A couple clouds here and there, but
our captain has done an excellent job of steering us out of the storm.
there's definitely rain out there in the distance. You can see some rain showers here and there, but then it's clear, so it did seem like we had possibly changed our schedule from normal itinerary, and it could possibly because they know that it rains more frequently in the afternoon down there than up here, so we went to the furthest point and then work our way back. So
you guys are watching this video, and you know we did our cruise. Just keep in mind that your cruise may not be the same as ours or any other videos that you watch, because it is dependent on weather. Obviously, you don't want to go somewhere where it's pouring down rain, thunderstorming, anything like that. Like, you want them to steer you away from that and into the sunshine. So, you know, don't expect exactly what we got, but definitely expect fantastic service, because they did a great job.
yeah,
Best excursion by far.
yeah, very hospitable, very kind, very
Friendly, fun, fantastic.
yeah, good.
Time flies when you're having fun, and today that was the case. Sadly, our 6 hours with Mystic Catamarans flew by, and we headed back to port while Norwegian Viva sparkled in the Caribbean sun. So we just finished our catamaran cruise. We have a few hours before we need to be back on board, so we are exploring the port here in Antigua. Before getting back on the ship, we grabbed a few cocktails with our friends at Rum Runners by the Sea as the sun began to set on our fantastic day. We had the most perfect day exploring Antigua, and our hearts leap at the thought of returning for another extended stay again soon. Stay tuned for more from here on board the Norwegian Viva with Norwegian Cruise Lines. And as always, thanks for traveling with us.
What are you doing?
This is my new favorite thing. Like, I don't care about the casino. I just want to put money in this machine.
We're converting money, and we seem to love doing
So you
this.
put a 20 in.
And it breaks it down into, well, no tens. We've determined there's no tens for some reason, but you get fives. And then if you put a $5 bill in, you get 5 ones. It's actually pretty cool. But I don't think it needs the enjoyment level that
This?
it does for her. Like, this is ASMR, I guess.
I'm crying because I'm having so much fun. And I'm touching the dirty money and I'm wiping my face.
Okay, are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
Look at all the money I got.
Yeah, it's the same amount of money.
It makes more money.
It doesn't make more money. It makes the same amount of money, just in more paper. All right, are we done? Let's go.
This is for the port because we need small bills for the port. We're not just weirdos who come down here and play with this machine. I would do late at night though.
Yeah. This lady's been on a heater on the ATM.
Look how much she won.
She's on a heater.
That's what I should do. This is your key card.
King got it.
Keys to the kingdom.